Buckle up, tech enthusiasts, as we embark on a voyage that promises to blend the dazzling ingenuity of human innovation with the ceaseless incandescent might of the sun itself. Picture this: a canvas of sky aglow with the resplendent tints of gold and orange, each hue a testament to the marriage of scientific genius and boundless imagination. Our voyage unveils a story that traverses the very evolution of solar panels, a breathtaking journey where science fiction dared to shake hands with reality, and the radiant sunbeams become not just a source of light, but the cradle of boundless power. Gaze at our cameras capturing the radiant sun, a cosmic marvel that has fascinated humanity for ages. Envision harnessing the solar might to power our world. The ordinary rooftop solar panel holds an extraordinary tale, tracing its evolution through scientific curiosity, engineering, and determination. From feeble rays to potent power, join us in exploring the journey of turning sunlight into energy through cutting-edge materials and quantum physics. Embark on a quest to decode the solar revolution. Our story begins with a celestial marvel, the sun. Its radiant glow has served as an unwavering source of life force for our planet. Picture the sun's fiery fusion reactions, an awe-inspiring symphony that releases torrents of energy in the form of brilliant light and nurturing heat, a cosmic dance that has sustained life on Earth for countless eons. But now, let's dive into the world of solar panels, where things take a techie twist. Imagine a solar panel, a true marvel of engineering, also known as photovoltaic PV panel. This ingenious device harnesses the sun's rays and orchestrates a transformation of light into electricity through the mesmerizing photovoltaic effect. Think of this effect as a celestial waltz where sunlight strikes specific materials, propelling electrons into motion and giving birth to an electric current. These materials, often referred to as semiconductors, include silicon, a cornerstone of modern electronics. Yet, let us journey back in time, uncovering solar energy's roots buried deep in history. Millennia ago, inventive minds harnessed the sun's power using magnifying glasses, igniting fire through focused sunlight. But it wasn't until the 20th century that the quest to harness solar energy's potential gained momentum, an era that set the stage for transformative breakthroughs. A pivotal moment emerges, the legacy of Alexandre Edmond Becquerel, who, in the year 1839, unraveled the enigmatic photovoltaic effect. Imagine a fervor of discovery as Becquerel revealed that certain materials could summon electric currents when touched by sunlight. This monumental revelation laid the cornerstone for the birth of solar panels, propelling humanity toward a future of sustainable energy. Now, fast forward to the late 1950s and early 1960s, a time of innovation and ambition. Picture the halls of Bell Labs, where visionary scientists crafted the world's first practical solar cell, a masterwork fashioned from silicon. This ingenious creation possessed the power to convert sunlight into electricity with remarkable efficiency. The dawn of solar panels was upon us, with applications spanning from satellite power to remote communication stations. However, the true awakening arrived amidst the turmoil of the 1970s energy crisis. Imagine a world grappling with the finite nature of fossil fuels and the environmental toll of their consumption. In the face of adversity, scientists and engineers rallied to improve the efficiency and accessibility of solar panels, driving innovation in materials, manufacturing, and widespread deployment. Today, solar panels form the beating heart of a thriving industry. Visualize rooftops adorned with glistening solar arrays, solar farms stretching across landscapes, and portable panels woven into our daily lives, powering gadgets, illuminating signs, and even accompanying us on our journeys. The journey from inception to today is marked by staggering improvements in efficiency, rendering solar panels a competitive and eco-friendly source of electricity. As we stand at the precipice of progress, envision a future where solar energy's potential knows no bounds. Picture a world where advancements cascade in a symphony of brilliance and sustainability, as we harness the untapped possibilities of solar energy to propel humanity toward a greener horizon. And now, let's delve into the heart of the solar revolution, a voyage of discovery that promises to redefine the very landscape of energy generation. From extraordinary breakthroughs to transformative technologies, join us on a riveting expedition that unveils innovations capable of revolutionizing how we harness the power of the sun. Our journey commences with a visionary who needs no introduction, Elon Musk. Imagine gazing at rooftops adorned with sleek, unassuming solar cells, each a silent powerhouse channeling the sun's energy to fuel our lives. This is more than aesthetics. It's a profound shift in how we perceive and generate energy. As we bridge the gap between past and present, cast your mind back to the 1950s, a time when solar panels first embarked on their transformative journey. Those familiar black and copper panels made their debut in America, and their legacy continues to unfold in astonishing ways. But what if I told you about a material that defies conventions? Imagine ferroelectric crystal cells, lighter, easier to produce, and cost-effective, poised to rewrite the rules of energy generation. Picture a revolution that dismantles the need for complex layers in traditional silicon solar cells. A breakthrough anchored in ferroelectric crystals opens the door to sustainability. These crystals, like barium titanate, eliminate the environmental toll of conventional mining practices. Tesla's innovation rides on the wings of these ferroelectrics, promising a potential cost reduction of up to tenfold compared to traditional panels. But numbers unveil the true magnitude of this leap. Tesla's traditional panels cost around 2.21 cents per watt before tax credits, while the ferroelectric panels stand at an astonishing 22 cents per watt. Brace yourselves. A weekly energy output of 1.5 million kilowatt hours could be achieved through Tesla's innovation. This isn't merely about efficiency and cost. It's a transformation that transcends dimensions. Envision a world where solar panels reign supreme, a future where buildings and transportation coalesce seamlessly in a sustainable ecosystem. Transparent windows, once a sci-fi dream, could soon birth a reality where power flows through every facet of our lives. But every innovation brings challenges to the forefront. Imagine the conundrum of high temperatures, durability concerns, and efficiency hurdles. Yet a beacon of hope emerges. Thermophotovoltaics, a revolutionary technology that capitalizes on heat to generate electricity. And as we speak of sustainability, another chapter unfolds. Picture the evolution of recycling processes, early stages of innovation that promise a future of repurposing and minimizing waste. Now, cast your gaze upon a captivating development, the solar roof by Tesla. Visualize these tiles, crafted with elegance and technology that are interwoven, mimicking traditional roofing materials, while seamlessly generating clean energy. Though the upfront investment may seem substantial, the echoes of energy savings and long-term benefits resonate strongly. Yet, Tesla is not the sole protagonist in this narrative. Enter GAF Energy and Sunrun, bearing their solar roofing innovations. Each solution carries distinct strengths: Tesla's aesthetic appeal, GAF Energy's domestic manufacturing prowess, and Sunrun's comprehensive warranties. Together, they paint a vivid tapestry of progress in the solar roofing revolution. As we navigate the landscape of innovation, envisage a realm where possibilities flourish without bounds. ponder the ramifications of ferroelectric crystals, thermophotovoltaics, and solar roofs, each a trailblazer that reshapes the narrative of energy generation and storage. The path ahead shimmers with uncharted opportunities, where every stride brings us closer to a world powered sustainably. Embark on an exciting journey into renewable energy innovation. Stand on the edge of transformation with us. How has this scientific voyage sparked your curiosity? Like, share, and be part of the renewable energy future. Your curiosity ignites our path to a planet-friendly world. Dear innovators, as we end this chapter, will you explore sustainable power? Ready to embrace green tech in your routine? Subscribe now to spark curiosity and illuminate the path to an eco-conscious future. Until we meet again, keep your wonder alive. You're the key to a greener tomorrow.